Hello and welcome to RLR Excel Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and unique videos I will teach you how you can create this beautiful spotlight visualization chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already created this beautiful chart with the use of these data where I have taken some team leaders name and what their team is getting sales is mentioned over here, and on the basis of these data I have created this beautiful effective chart. Alright, and this is dynamic chart. It means if I will change the value and whoever team will get the maximum sales, then it would be highlighted with this spotlight effect. Alright, now currently you can see the Rajesh team is getting maximum sales. That's why this is highlighting Rajesh. Alright, if I will change the value for another one, then the highlightation would be changed or moved on another one. Alright, let's change the result and see how it is working. Here you can see now this time Varun team is getting maximum sales, sorry, Sanjeev team is getting maximum sales. That's why this highlightation effect is on his. Alright, if I will refresh, then you can see now this time the Sunny team is getting maximum sales. That's why this effect is on his. Alright, so this is an unique technique to show your MIS report, zonal dashboard, client report more beautiful and more effective. Alright, so before wasting any extra time, let's go to a new workbook and learn how we can create this. And before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert or MIS expert easily. Alright, so what will I do? I will just select my this data and press Ctrl C to copy it. Press Ctrl N to add a new workbook. Here you can see the workbook name is book 1. That means it is new workbook, and press Ctrl V to paste the data. Alright. Now just close this workbook because we do not need. So just close it. Alright, now this is the new workbook, and here we will start to create our beautiful chart. So first of all, I will remove the grid lines from this worksheet. So go to view and just do uncheck. Alright, now just go to insert tab, click on illustration, shapes, and now that time I will take this one which is oval. Shift key press from your keyboard and just draw it. Alright, make the duplicate and then press Ctrl A to select both oval. Go to format and align it as center and align it as middle. Alright, now just select first oval, press Ctrl Shift from your keyboard and just resize it. Alright, now select the oval which is smaller oval, go to format and do the shape fill as yellow, shape outline as no outline. Alright, then select your outer oval and do the shape outline as no outline. Right click on your outer oval, click on format shape, and here I will click on fill. Then I will choose gradient fill. So here you can see some default gradient stops is available. I will just click on the first stop and I will take the color, which one would be this one, white background one, darker 5%. Alright, then would choose second one, and this time I will take the color this one. For third one I will take the darker gray, or for the last one I will take against this one. Alright, now our color is almost filled. I will select both oval, press right click on it and make it as group. Alright, now just double click on your outer oval, go to effects, expand 3D format, click on top bevel and select this one which is convex. Alright, now just click outside anywhere, and now this time select complete oval and go to 3D rotation. Under preset, under parallel I will select this one which is off axis one top. You can also increase the depth of it, but I want to just something new in that time, so I will just keep it. Alright, now this is done. We need to create the effect. So what will I do? I will go to insert, illustration, shapes, and I will take this shape which is trapezoid. Just click it. Now just select this, go to format and rotate it flip vertical and just place it. just increase the width like this and place it. Alright, now just select your trapezoid shape and go to format and do the shape outline as no outline. Right click on it, go to format shape, take the gradient fill, and here you can see the default 4 gradient stops is available. Alright, so select first stop and make sure the position would be in 0% and take the color as yellow and the transparency as 40%. Alright, now select the second stop and this time I will take the position as 33%. Make sure select second stop, this one, and take the position as 33%. Fill the color also as yellow, but this time I will take transparency around 60%. For third one, select and take the position around 66% and fill the color is yellow and take the transparency as 80%. And for the last one, select this one, take the fill color as yellow, and this time I will take transparency as 100%. Alright, so now you can see our shape is look like this. I will select both shape, right click, make this group. Alright, now just select this whole shape, press Ctrl D to make duplicate. Alright, now we need to change the color for another one, so just select your trapezoid shape using double click, right click, format shape, and now this time I will take white color for each and every stop, and this time I do not need to give transparency. Alright, for the oval, this one, I will also fill the solid color as white. Alright, so our two shape is ready. Now we need to add the man shape, so I will just add a new worksheet, select A1 cell, go to insert, click on symbols, click symbol, select here Webdings and just press enter. Just scroll down and here you can see this icon is available, which is Webdings 128. Select it, click on insert, close it. Select this A1 cell and this time I will take the font size as almost 100%. Alright, now select this A1 cell, copy it as picture and paste it as also picture. So now you can see this cell icon is converted into picture. Just select A1 cell and remove this. Go to again insert tab, symbol, symbol, and now type also here Webdings and just scroll down and select this time this one, which is Webdings 130. Previous was 128. Alright, so now just select it also and make it as copy as picture. Okay, and now paste special and paste it as also picture. Alright, so our both shape is ready. We do not need this cell, so I will just remove this. Now just select this picture, go to format and crop from each side extra space like this one. First one is ready. Similarly for the second one also I will crop it from each and every side extra space like this one. Alright, now make sure both height is same, so we need to increase the height of this shape. Now both are done. Alright, just select both shape, press Ctrl X to cut it, go to sheet 1 and paste it. Alright, select this shape and place it over here like this. Select this oval also using shift key and right click, make this group. Similarly for the second one also select this shape and place over here. Select both shape, right click on it, make it group. So our man shape are ready. Now we need to add our chart. So first of all I will take 4 support column. Alright, so the first support column would be sales. The second support column would be maximum sales. Third support column would be data labels, and the last one for max data label, यानी कि it means maximum data labels. All right, now just select this cell and press is equal to and put your formula. If this cell is equal to the maximum from these all cell, just press F4 to fix it, then return NA, otherwise 1. Similarly for the second one also, press is equal to if this cell is maximum from these all cell, then return 1, otherwise NA. For third one, press is equal to if this cell is maximum from these all cell, then return blank, otherwise return this cell. And for the last one, press is equal to if this cell is from maximum from these all cell, press F4 to fix it, then return B2, otherwise return blank. Alright, so just select all data and drag this. Alright, so here our data is almost ready. What we need to do the next, just select your team leader name, press Ctrl and select your sales and max sales column. Go to again insert tab, and now here I will take 2D stacked column chart. Just resize it. Alright, now first we need to format this axis, so I will just select this, right click on it, format axis, and choose the minimum as 0 and the maximum as 1. Then I do not need to show this axis, so just click on plus button. Make sure you do not need to remove horizontal axis, so just click on this icon and remove only vertical axis. Then chart title, grid lines and legends also. Alright, just select entire chart, go to format, do the shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline. Alright, now here you can see this all blue bar is showing these cells and the orange bar is showing max sales. Alright, so we need to highlight for maximum sales this spotlight effect, and for the all cells we need to show this cell. Alright, so I'll just select this icon, press Ctrl C to copy it, select your blue portion and press Ctrl V. Similarly press Ctrl C for yellow one and select your orange bar and press Ctrl V. Alright, now I do not need this both shape, so I can just remove it, or also I can put it outside. Alright, then right click on your bar, go to format data series. Now take the series overlap is 100%, which is already, and the gap width will take 0%. Alright, now select your form of horizontal axis and then go to format, do the shape outline as no outline. From home I will take the font name as SNCFB, will increase the font size, let's say I'm taking 12, do it as bold and take the font color as black. Then just resize it how much you want, like this one. Alright, now we need to add the data label just. So what will I do? I will just select this icon, right click on it and add data label. So the data label has been added but not showing because the data label is inside or center of the shape. So just click on it like this one. Now just right click on it, go to format data labels, and now from value from sales I will click on this one, select this one, and these sales are coming from data label. Alright, because here we need to show data label, so just select all 4 cell. Here you can see data is only in 3 cell, but we need to select all cell. Click on OK, click on value and show leader line. Then here the label position is center, so I will click on inside and. Alright, so these are for done. Now for these one also I will right click on it, add data label. So data label has been added, right click on it, format data labels and click on value from sales. Here now we will select data label from here and select all cell. All right, remember one thing, all cell, and remove checkmark from value, show leader lines, and do it the label position as inside and. All right, now select your this one highlightation cell data label and go to home and take the font name as agency FB. Increase the font size, let's say I'm taking 18. Do it as bold, black color. For the font, go to format and the text glow effect will take this one. So this is done. For these one also I will go to home tab and just increase the font and do the color as black, make it bold, and the font name as agency FB. So our chart is ready. All right, just resize this. All right, now I do not need to show these extra data, so just select these all cell and do the font color as white. So now our chart is ready. Just refresh the sheet, and while you will refresh the sheet, whatever or whoever is getting maximum sales, that will be highlighted with this spotlight effect. Here you can see. Isn't it cool? That's how you can create this beautiful spotlight visualization chart in Excel 2019. And I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you something amazing charting method so that you can become Excel expert, also MIS expert. All right, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then,